Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have a VEVOR spray tent. And this is perfect for some of your smaller spray projects. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. So that is that, and it comes sealed in, looks like it's vacuum sealed actually. So it comes in a nice little case. That's pretty neat. That is your user manual. And it looks like we have some stakes in here. And that slides off that. And I gotta be honest, that's a lot bigger than I expected. So that is your base. So it's got a nice little ventilation window in the back. And that sits up. And you can put this in your yard and stake that down with these little flaps. So on the back, so it's got some Velcro that holds this window down. It's got some toggles, so when you fold this up, you got your little toggles, so you can open this up. So you got some cross ventilation. So pretty cool. Now for our purposes, we are going to put this down. Velcro that back down to the back. And then we have a so we got a nice large area that we can spray into. And we can keep our area clean. And let's get painting. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.